Tuesday, April 21st, which means we are on day 20 of math. And yesterday we started with multiplication and division, and we did really good. I think you guys are probably catching on. It was not hard. Today we are continuing in our chapter 18, multiplication and division. Right now we're still doing multiplication. We have not started division yet. And so we're just going to jump in, okay? Multiplication, as we started out with yesterday, is just adding the same number over and over and over. So we learned that if we have 4 2's, we just add the number 2 4 times, okay? So adding the same number over and over and over to itself is multiplication. So that's what we're going to continue with today, okay? So I have 3 examples up here with the manipulatives. And we'll just start with our first one. I have groups of 2. So let's circle up my groups of 2. Alright, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups, and each group has 2. That's the same thing as adding 2 6 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals, now in first grade, we can count by 2's, okay? So that's the quickest, fastest way to get this answer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 12. Now, yesterday we learned to write this a different way. We learned to write the number of groups we have first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 groups. 6 2's, because there's 2 in each group. 6 2's equals 12. Okay? That just means I wrote the number 2 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2's. 6 2's equals 12. All right, let's move on to this one. I have them grouped up in groups of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have groups of 4. So let's circle my groups of 4. Okay, now how many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 groups of 4. That's the same thing as adding 4 5 times. Okay? I have added 4, the number 4, 5 times. All right. Counting by 4's is not as easy. So, we can add 4 plus 4, which we know is 8, plus 4 more, plus 4 more, plus 4 more. Or we can just count up all of our counters. So let's just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Altogether, we have 20. Now, we can write this with first the number of groups. How many do we have? How many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 groups. 5, and how many is in each group? 4. We have 4 in each group. So 5 4's equals 20. And that's the same thing as saying, if you write 4 5 times and add it up, you will get 20. I have written the number 4 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add them all up, and you get 20. So 5 4's, which I have 5 4's, equals 20. All right, my last example up on the board, I have sets of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make them into groups. Okay, how many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3. This is the same thing as adding 5 3 times. Okay, 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now, we can count by 5's in first grade, so that's the fastest way to find our answer. Let's do that. 5, 10, 15. I have 15 counters all together. Now, Now, to write it this way, my first number is my number of groups. How many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 groups, so 3. How many is in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 5s equals 15. I have written 3 5s. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 5s. I wrote 3 5s, added them up, equals 15. 3 5s equals 15. All right, you guys get your workbook out and turn to page 188. And we're going to do this some more. I'm going to move my manipulatives and erase the board. All right, page 188. Try to get the whole page on the board for you. All right, they've given us our example at the top. There are 10 lobsters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how many we have altogether. There are 10 lobsters. 2 5s equal 10. And we had to fill in that blank in their example. 2 sets or 2 groups of 5 equals 10. So they have 2 groups. One group is here. One group is here. So the number of groups comes first. 2 groups. And this number is how many is in each group. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 groups of 5 or 2 5s equals 10. And that's the same as saying 5 plus 5 equals 10. 2 5s. 1 5, 2 5. 2 5s equals 10. 2 5s equals 10. We're going to do that same thing down here. There are blank crabs. How many crabs do we have in all? So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 crabs, okay? So 8 is our equal, our whole number, okay? There are 8 crabs. They want us to make 4 groups, and then we have to put how many is in each group. So 4 groups of how many equals 8. We need to get 4 groups, and it kind of looks like they've already lined them up so that we can make 4 groups easily. Okay, let's count. Make sure we have 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do have 4 groups, and we have to make sure each group has the same number of crabs in each group, okay? So let's count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Each group has 2 crabs. So 4 2s equals 8. And that's the same as saying 4 2s. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. I wrote 4 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4 2s. Add them up, and that equals 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 2s equal 8. All right, let's do this one all together. There are blank seahorses. How many seahorses do we have all together? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We have 25 seahorses. Okay. 5 blank equals blank. We know 25 is how many we have all together, which is going to go over here. They want to know how many we have all together. They want us to put them in groups of 5, and they've pretty much already grouped them up in 5s, little groups of 5. So let's just circle our groups of 5. Now we should have 5 groups, okay? Remember, our first number is the number of groups. Let's see if we have 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 groups, and how many is in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each group has 5, so 5 fives. 5 fives equals 25, and that's the same thing as me writing 5 fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fives equals 25. Well, let's count it. Count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 fives equals 25. All right, let's go on to the next page. Flipping over to page 189. Try to get the whole page on here for you. Okay. A starfish has blank arms. So here are our starfish, and it wants to know how many arms each starfish has. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each starfish has 5 arms. Okay, a starfish has 5 arms. 6 fives equals, so we have 6 starfish. 6 fives equals how many altogether? So, we're going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6 fives equals 30. 6 starfishes have 30 arms. And if we're not sure if we want to check it, we can just go and check and count each arm and see that we have 30 altogether. So when it says 6 fives equals 30, that means I'm going to write 5 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fives. I have 6 fives. Let's see if it equals 30. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yep, we got that one right. Number 10. Each dress has 5 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 3 dresses. Each dress has 5 buttons. 3 blank equals blank. So 3 is how many groups I have, okay? A group of buttons there, a group of buttons there, and a group of buttons there. So I have 3 groups. How many is in each group? How many buttons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 fives equals what? How many buttons do I have in all? That's the same thing as saying 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 fives. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 fives. Let's count. 5, 10, 15. 3 fives equals 15. And that's the same thing as writing 3 fives and adding them up. Now to go back and check our answer, we can just go and count all of our buttons. And you can do that if you would like to. 3 dresses have blank buttons. How many buttons altogether do 3 dresses have? 5, 10, 15. There we go. All right, this last one. 1 flower has blank petals. All right, so how many petals does 1 flower have? Let's count these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 flower has 6 petals, okay? It didn't ask how many we had all together yet. It just says 1. 1 flower has 6 petals, okay? 6 is the number of groups I need, okay? So I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 flowers, so each flower is a group. And in each group, I have 6 petals, okay? How many groups do I have? That's my first number, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 groups. How many petals are in each group? Each group has 6 petals. So 6 sixes, remember, have a little grammar here. When a word ends in X and you make it plural, you add an ES. 6 sixes equals how many together? So, counting by sixes is not easy, okay? We haven't learned how to count by sixes yet in first grade. So, we can write it 6 times. 6 sixes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sixes, okay? And we can add this up. We know that 6 and 6 is 12, plus 6 more is 18, plus 6 more, 24, plus 6 more is 30, plus our last 6, 30 and 6 more is 36, okay? If you add it up, that's one way, or we can go back and count all of our petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 6 sixes equals 36. 6 flowers have 36 petals. All right, moving on to our next page, page 190. All right. We have each plant has blank leaves. So we have plants. Each plant has how many leaves? Let's count our leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4. Each plant has blank leaves. Each plant has 4 leaves. Okay? How many plants do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is how many groups we have. And so each plant is its own group. Okay? We'll do it like this. Now, 5 blank. This is the number of groups I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 groups. And how many leaves are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 fours equals what? So 5 fours, which means I will write 4 5 times and add it up. So I've written 4 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just need to add them all up. Okay? 5 fours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 4s equals how many? So we can add these. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4 more is 12. Plus 4 more is 16. Plus 4 more is 20. That's one way. Or we can count all of our petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5 fours equals 20. 5 plants have 20 leaves. All right, I want you guys to do number 13 all by yourself, okay? I will tell you, it gives us 4, so we will have 4 groups. And Octopus has blank arms, okay? Each group will have the same number of arms. So you guys do that last one all by yourself, and have a great afternoon. I'll see you tomorrow.